This will be a quick video to help you install your clean speed rear brake pedal onto a 2024 Plus KTM Husky gas cast bike specifically with linkage rear suspension. I think these X bikes stand for extra tight back here. There's not going to be a good way to install the brake pedal. So first thing you'll do, take a deep breath and relax, because it's not that hard. You just got to do a few things here. So we're going to pull out this rear brake hem joint, and then if you have a coolant hose, kind of pull it up out of the way, get as much space as you can in there. So I like to tuck it up there. And then instead of kind of conventionally trying to shove the pedal up, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to use we have these machined chamfers in our part, and then there's also the curve in the brake pedal. So we're going to use those. So kind of install your brake pedal from the back upside down, and then bending it around the frame. Kind of use the chamfers to clear your bolts, and rotate the pedal as you bring it through, and go ahead and line it up, bolt it down, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.